Question 18 says Julian kicked the soccer ball into the air with an initial upward velocity of 40 feet per second. The height h in feet of the ball above the ground can be modeled by h equaling negative 16t squared plus 40t, where t is the time in seconds after Julian kicked the ball. Find the time it takes the ball to reach 25 feet above the ground. So the first thing you notice is that this 25 feet above the ground is our h. That's our height. So we're going to plug that into our equation. So we have 25 is equal to negative 16t squared plus 40t. To solve this equation, I want to first set it equal to 0. So I'll add negative 25 to both sides. I'm left with 0 is equal to negative 16t squared plus 40t minus 25. I will now factor this. So I'm looking for two numbers, m and p, which equal a times c, which is negative 16 times negative 25, which equals positive 400. And those two numbers also have to add to positive 40. Well, 400 is 20 squared, and 20 plus 20 is 40. So our two numbers are actually 20 and 20. So I can split 40t into 20t plus 20t. Negative 16t squared, 25. I can then group and then factor out my greatest common factor. My greatest common factor of negative 16t squared and 20t is going to be a negative 4t. So a negative 4 out of negative 16 becomes a positive 4t. And negative 4 out of a positive 20 becomes a negative 5. T's go away. Then I have the greatest common factor of 20t and negative 25. That would be 5. Left with 4t minus 5. I can then factor out 4t minus 5. And I'm left with negative 4t plus 5. And that is equal to 0, as it was up here. Now I can apply my zero product property. So either 4t minus 5 equals 0, or negative 4t plus 5 equals 0. Add 5 to both sides. Get 4t equals 5, divide by 4. Get t equals 5/4. On the right, add negative 5. You get negative 4t equals negative 5, divide by negative 4. You get t equals negative 5/4, or negative 4, which is the same as 5/4. So we actually get the exact same possible answer. So t is equal to 5/4, or 5/4 of a second. After Julian kicks the ball, it will reach 25 feet above the ground.